By choosing the right foods, you can help lower your blood sugar and keep it stable throughout the day. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 5 breakfasts that won't raise your blood sugar but will help you stay energized and healthy. So stick around because these breakfast ideas will not only support your blood sugar but also keep you feeling satisfied all morning long. Let's dive in. 1. Roasted vegetable egg omelet. If you're looking for a nutritious and blood sugar-friendly breakfast, a roasted vegetable egg omelet is the perfect choice. Packed with protein and healthy fats, eggs help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, ensuring that your blood sugar remains stable throughout the morning. By adding roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and spinach, you not only enhance the nutritional profile of your meal, but also introduce a variety of textures and natural sweetness. Roasting the vegetables brings out their flavors, which pair beautifully with the savory eggs. Why is this meal ideal for diabetics? First, the roasted vegetables are rich in fiber, which plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes that can follow meals. Additionally, using leftover vegetables from dinner is a smart way to save time, reduce food waste, and increase the fiber content of your breakfast. Plus, it's a great way to use whatever vegetables you have on hand. You can throw anything into an omelet, making it a customizable, cost-effective breakfast option. To make this meal, sauté your favorite vegetables in a pan with a little olive oil until they're tender and caramelized. Then, whisk eggs together and pour them over the vegetables. Cook until the omelet is golden brown and the eggs are fully set. You can sprinkle in some cheese or fresh herbs for added flavor. This quick and satisfying breakfast is full of essential nutrients, offering you a balanced meal that promotes steady energy and helps manage blood sugar levels. Moreover, the versatility of this dish is perfect for people with busy schedules. You can customize the omelet to include your favorite veggies, adding variety each day. Whether you prefer to use leftover vegetables or fresh ones, you're guaranteed a tasty, fiber-rich, and diabetes-friendly meal. By making this a regular part of your breakfast routine, you'll help support long-term blood sugar control and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Next time you're planning your breakfast, consider making a roasted vegetable egg omelet. It's not only delicious, but also diabetes-friendly, and it offers a simple yet effective way to manage blood sugar and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. 2. Banana pancakes. Are you craving a breakfast that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly? These banana pancakes are the perfect solution. With only 2 simple ingredients, eggs and banana, this recipe delivers a boost of protein and fiber, making it a great choice for managing blood sugar levels. Why is this combination so powerful? The eggs provide healthy fats and protein, which help stabilize blood sugar by slowing the absorption of glucose. The banana, rich in potassium and fiber, provides natural sweetness while helping to regulate blood sugar and promote heart health. What makes these pancakes stand out? Unlike traditional pancakes made from refined flour, which can cause spikes in blood sugar, these banana pancakes are low in carbohydrates but high in nutrients. The fiber from the banana slows down sugar absorption, making these pancakes a perfect choice for diabetics. Plus, the protein in the eggs helps keep you full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning cravings that can lead to overeating and blood sugar fluctuations. Making them is incredibly easy and quick. Simply blend 2 large eggs with a medium-sized banana until smooth, then pour the batter into a lightly oiled pan. Cook on medium heat, flipping once bubbles appear on the surface. The result? Light, fluffy pancakes that are naturally sweet without any added sugar or syrup. To top it off, serve with a handful of fresh, warm berries, which add even more fiber and antioxidants to help protect your body from oxidative stress. This banana pancake recipe is not only a healthier option, but a tasty one too. It's quick to prepare, packed with nutrients, and most importantly, supports healthy blood sugar levels. So, the next time you're in the mood for pancakes, try this simple recipe to keep your blood sugar in check and enjoy a satisfying, nutrient-packed meal. 3. Eggs over avocado toast. Looking for a quick, tasty, and healthy breakfast that will keep your blood sugar levels stable? Look no further than eggs over avocado toast. This simple, delicious meal combines whole grain toast, mashed avocado, and a perfectly fried egg. Why is this dish so beneficial for diabetics? Let's break it down. First, whole grain toast provides fiber, which is essential for blood sugar management. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Unlike refined white bread, whole grains have a lower glycemic index, meaning they have a smaller impact on your blood sugar. By opting for whole grain bread, you're starting your day with a solid foundation that supports healthy glucose levels. Next, we have mashed avocado. Avocado is a powerhouse of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are known for their ability to improve insulin sensitivity. These healthy fats can help your body manage blood sugar more effectively. Plus, avocados are rich in potassium and fiber, both of which contribute to better heart health and digestion. So, not only does avocado enhance the flavor of your toast, but it also provides essential nutrients that help you stay healthy. Finally, top it all off with an egg. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for keeping you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Protein also helps prevent insulin spikes by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. The egg's healthy fats complement the avocado, creating a balanced meal that stabilizes your blood sugar levels and provides lasting energy. How do you make this nutritious meal? Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. While the bread is toasting, mash half an avocado with a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the toast is ready, spread the mashed avocado on top. Next, fry an egg to your liking, sunny side up, scrambled or over easy, and place it on top of the avocado toast. The result is a nutrient-dense meal that's easy to prepare, full of fiber, healthy fats, and protein, and perfect for managing your blood sugar levels. So if you're looking to start your day off right and support your health goals, try this eggs over avocado toast. It's simple, delicious, and packed with nutrients that will help keep your blood sugar in check all day long. 4. Power Yogurt Parfait. Looking for a breakfast that's high in protein, low in sugar, and will keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day? A Power Yogurt Parfait is the perfect choice for diabetics. By swapping out granola and sugary fruit for nutrient-dense ingredients, you get a filling, satisfying breakfast that supports your health goals without spiking your blood sugar levels. Let's start with plain Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is packed with more protein, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. The high protein content helps keep you full longer, preventing overeating and reducing hunger throughout the day. It's important to choose plain Greek yogurt, as flavored versions are often loaded with added sugars that can quickly raise your blood sugar. Now for the fruit. Instead of using sugary, syrupy fruits, choose fresh or frozen fruits like berries, which are low in sugar and high in fiber. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries not only add a burst of natural sweetness to your parfait, but also bring in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. The fiber content in these fruits helps slow the digestion of carbohydrates, which keeps blood sugar levels in check. To add some crunch and extra nutrients, top your parfait with chopped nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are packed with healthy fats and protein, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. They also provide fiber and support heart health. Nuts also add a satisfying crunch to the parfait, making it feel indulgent without being overly sugary. Plus, they're rich in magnesium, a mineral known for improving insulin sensitivity and supporting proper glucose metabolism. Here's how to make your Power Yogurt Parfait. Start by layering a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt at the bottom of a bowl or jar. Add a handful of fresh or frozen berries on top. Then sprinkle a handful of chopped nuts for added flavor and crunch. For an extra touch, you can drizzle a bit of honey, sparingly, or add a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. This breakfast is easy to make, customizable, and packed with all the nutrients you need to start your day off right. The beauty of this parfait is in its simplicity and versatility. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a nutritious snack, it provides the right balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar levels in check. It's a satisfying meal that supports both your taste buds and your health goals. So, next time you're craving something sweet, Ditch the granola and go for this power yogurt parfait that's packed with goodness and keeps your blood sugar steady throughout the day. Power Yogurt Parfait is a great option for diabetics who want to enjoy a delicious breakfast without compromising their health. It's easy to prepare, customizable, and full of benefits. So why not try it today? 5. Low Carb Smoothie. If you're a diabetic looking for a refreshing and healthy drink that won't spike your blood sugar, a low-carb smoothie is a fantastic choice. Not only is it easy to make, but it's packed with nutrients that provide lasting energy while keeping blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. The best part? You can customize this smoothie to suit your taste and health needs, all while avoiding the blood sugar spikes that come with high-carb beverages. Let's start with the base. Instead of using sugary juices or high-carb liquids, blend unsweetened almond milk for a low-calorie, low-carb option. Almond milk is a great choice because it's rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, supporting heart health and providing a creamy texture to your smoothie. Plus, it's dairy-free, making it a perfect alternative for those with lactose intolerance. Now let's add some low-glycemic fruits. Strawberries are a great option because they're not only low in sugar but also full of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. These fruits help regulate blood sugar while adding natural sweetness to your smoothie. You can also swap strawberries for other low-glycemic fruits like raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries to mix things up. These fruits have a minimal effect on blood sugar levels, making them ideal for diabetics who want to enjoy a sweet treat without worrying about blood sugar spikes. Next, let's take this smoothie to the next level by adding plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which can help keep you full for longer and regulate blood sugar levels. The probiotic content in Greek yogurt also supports gut health, which plays a key role in managing diabetes. It's important to choose plain Greek yogurt, as flavored varieties often contain added sugars that can negatively impact blood sugar control. But we're not done yet. For an extra boost of healthy fats, add avocado to your smoothie. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. These healthy fats not only make the smoothie more satisfying, but also help slow the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Avocados are also a great source of fiber, which supports digestive health and helps prevent constipation. Now that we have all the ingredients, here's how to make your low-carb smoothie. In a blender, combine a handful of low-glycemic fruits like strawberries or raspberries, half an avocado, a scoop of plain Greek yogurt, and about a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Blend until smooth and enjoy a creamy, nutrient-packed smoothie that's full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Not only is this low-carb smoothie low in carbs, but it's also an excellent way to nourish your body while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein ensures that you feel satisfied and energized without worrying about blood sugar spikes. It's a delicious and easy way to start your day or enjoy as a midday snack without compromising your health goals. Incorporating the right breakfast into your daily routine can be a game changer when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. By choosing meals that are low in carbohydrates and rich in lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber, you set the tone for balanced blood sugar throughout the day. These breakfasts provide the energy you need without causing spikes in your blood sugar. Whether you're enjoying scrambled eggs with avocado or a low-carb smoothie, making mindful choices is key to keeping your diabetes in check. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's essential to find what works best for you. If you're unsure about what to include in your breakfast, always consult with your doctor or nutritionist to create a personalized meal plan that fits your needs. Let me know in the comments which breakfast you'll try first, or if you have any other favorite diabetes-friendly meals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing blood sugar and staying healthy. Check out more videos in the description below for even more delicious and low-sugar meal ideas. Stay healthy and take control of your diabetes. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivated us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.